Hello guys, greetings to everyone and welcome to Gando Graphics. So guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to properly insert um, an image into a shape using just the Pixellab application. Okay, so I'll be using an example of a flyer which someone sent to me asking me if that particular design could be achieved using the Pixellab application and yes, of course, that design could be achieved. So I'm just going to show you the design now. Okay, so this is a flyer design which sent to me. Okay, so obviously it can be achieved using the Pixel application, but one thing you need to know is once you see a design, it's very important for you to try to figure things out, try to think if this particular first thing, if this particular shape is it found in Pixellab, you try to ask yourself this question. You should not just conclude and say, oh, look at it, the way the design is, I cannot achieve it. Or maybe the shape, that was the main worry she has, because every other thing I'm sure she could put it properly. But this particular shape, that is what she was asking, how to place her image inside. Okay, so I'm going to show you because we have this shape, this particular shape we have in the Pixel Lab. And what if it was a shape which was not found in the which is not found in the Pixel application? Obviously it means you should be ready to create that. And we have two tools which we can use here to create custom shapes or any other shape. We have the mask tool and we also have the Pixel tool, which if you can use it properly, you can be able to produce or replicate any other shape which you see. Okay, so let's move into the shape. Okay, so we'll be clicking here on this drop down icon to see the other shapes which we have, and this is a shape. Okay, when you look closely, this is a shape which fits properly to that which was used on that flyer. Okay, so what we'll do now is to select the shape. Okay, so without clicking on this check mark, so we'll need to change the color. Okay, so I'd already picked the color here because I want us to get the same thing which is being gotten on this design. But if you don't know how to pick a color, okay, so you need to click on this plus icon. So I'll click on the plus icon. Okay, you click next on this eyedropper icon option, you click and you select the design. So you tap on whatever color you want to pick. Okay, so what we want is this pink, and once you get the color displayed up here, you're supposed to click next on this check mark, this one. You click on the check mark. Okay, the color, we've picked the color already, and then we click on OK. So this is the color, and next we click here on this check mark. Okay, so this is the color, guys. So this is the color and this is it. So let's go to texture here. We click and bring in the image we'll be using. So we'll use an image which the background has been removed. Okay, so let's use this image and we click on the check mark. So you see, guys, we have gotten this and you see how good it looks. So next is we are going to make a copy, but now we cannot just use it like this, because if you check this other one, this sharp pointed edge is facing, that's this edge, this end is facing towards the right hand side. Okay, so what we need to do is we ensure that this shape is selected, and we click now on the crop tool. Okay, we click on the crop tool, and when we click on the crop tool, we have this option here and this option here, which enables us to rotate this shape or any other thing to different directions. Okay, so this is not the direction we want. So if we click here, we'll get it displaying this sharp pointer being this end edge is pointing towards the left hand side, the bottom left hand side, and if we do it again, we'll be pointing the top left hand side towards the top left hand side. But that is not what we want, because the other display is towards this the bottom right hand side. So when we click here and we click again, let's see, no, that is not what we want. Okay, so this is what we want. Okay, so you see how it is now. So now we'll come back to edit. Okay, and we'll be changing the color the same way I used in picking that color. Okay, so but obviously I'm doing this for the sake of this video, but you can use any color you want. So you see, this is how this design, these images were being placed into this particular shape using the Pixellab application. So guys, it's really simple. So our advice, whenever you see a design, don't just jump into a conclusion and say, oh, because I'm a Pixellab designer, I cannot produce or I cannot replicate this particular design. No, you should never feel that way, because with the help of the bezier tool and the mask tool, you can create any other shape that you see out there, which is any other PC designing software. So that is it. Okay, so please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Okay, it gives a push to create more videos, and also you should leave in the comment section any worry or any area you want me to create videos on.